Hi everyone. So we have already seen how you can use self-space for marking your daily attendance and the operations that are related to you. Now, if you're a reporting manager, then you are also having the options for managing your team in the My Team section. In My Team section, we are having reportees, we are having attendance, we are having shifts, leaves, approvals, and reports, and the ticket. Here in the reportees, when you are clicking on the reportee button, you are getting the reportees details that are your reportees. If you want to check the further details of any reportee, you can click on that reportee to check the details of that person. Now, for the attendance data, you can go to the attendance and check your team daily attendance and the monthly attendance. Here you can click on the daily button for checking the current day details, and you can click on the monthly to check the monthly attendance data. You can click on any one of the employee in which you wanted to see the details. You can get the details here for the attendance. You can also apply the date filter here for checking the details of any user here. You are also having the options for checking the session details by clicking on the date, and here you will get the details of the session if any session is present. If you wanted to check the attendance summary, you are having here the attendance summary. You can select the months and check the attendance summary of your reportees. If you wanted to apply for the leave for your reportees or attendance request like the regularization request, you can click on this apply regularization button, and here you are having the details of that. You can select the button and raise the attendance request or the regularize request by this method. The flow for raising the request is same as we did in the myself space. So this is all about the attendance features and the details about the attendance. Now, if you wanted to check the shift details of your reportees, you can go to shift, and here you are having the table for checking the weekly and the monthly reports. You can click on the monthly button and see the monthly shift details of your reportees. If you wanted to assign shift to any of your reportees, you can use this assign shift button for assigning the shift, and you can use this button for unassigning the shift. As of now, SAMS is managing the shift assignment, so you don't need to worry about it. You can just see the details for your reportees. If any shift is assigned to them, you can view here. In the leaves, you can get the details about the leave balance and the remaining balance of the or the booked balance of the leave for a particular reporting. You can click on one of the reportee and see the details of that, the policies and the balance and the used balance. You can also check the request here. If you wanted to check the upcoming holidays and the leaves, you can check. Past holidays and leaves, you can check. Also, if you wanted to apply for the leave request on behalf of your reportee, you can click on the apply button and you can follow the same method for applying the leave. Then you are having the approvals. In the approval section, you are having the requests that are raised by your reportees. And as a reporting manager, you can approve those requests here. Like for the attendance request, there is an attendance request. You can select all employees that are pending. You can click on the approval button and you can approve all the attendance details, attendance request in a one go, or you can do it manually by one. You can also check the details of the attendance by clicking on the view button to see the attendance detail. You can change the page filter here. You can check the records per page here. So if you are applying for the bulk attendance approval, then I will suggest you to change the page size to 100, and then you can use this select button for approving all the attendance requests or any kind of a request that is raised by your reporting. You can also search the email, search the reportee by the name and the email and the code. In the report section, you are having the reports for the different types of reports you are having for the reportees. You can select one of these and click on the view button. You can also select the start date and the end date. Click on the view button to check the reports of the attendance here. Same for the leave apply. Same for the other details. In the resolve tickets, you are having the option for resolving the tickets of your reportees if that are assigned to you. Just suppose there is some concern that is raised by your reportee, and as a SAMS or the organization admin, we want you to resolve that issue, and that issue is related to you. Then you have to see that ticket and you have to resolve that issue. For example, if someone has raised the request for the regularization and that is pending, and they are raising the ticket for that concern, then that ticket will be assigned to you, and you have to check that, and you have to approve that regularization request, and then you can mark the ticket as resolved. For marking the ticket as resolved, you can simply click here the cut button, and that ticket will be resolved. You can also you can also do the conversation with your reportee by clicking on this conversation button, and here you can see or send the messages to your reportees if you wanted to ask them related to the ticket. This is all about the My Team section and the features that you can use for managing your team. If you're facing any issues related to this, you are free to ask us and mail us anytime. We will be happy to help you for this. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.